Yazid bin Hayyan says, we went to the house of Hazrat Zaid bin Arqam and said to him, you have witnessed very excellent era. You enjoyed the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and performed the prayers in the lead of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then hadith goes like the previous one. However, it says here, can I am leaving two great things among you. One is Allah's book, which is the rope of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Whoever follows it will remain on guidance, but whoever abandons it will go astray. This narration also adds, we asked, are his wives included in the people of his house? He replied, no. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, a woman stays with a man for ages, but he discovers him, so she returns to his father and people. The people of the house include his father and his paternal kins, for whom the acceptance of alms zakat is prohibited. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6178.